So apparently this phone might launch and release within the next month or so. And I don't know how I feel about it, but this is the tri-foldable phone that will be coming to America from Samsung, and we got some more leaked stuff from it. And I don't know, man. I want to see the price tag before I give any type of opinion, right? Because at the end of the day, if the price tag is correct, and when I mean correct, I mean, under $3,000, maybe, you could get behind it, right? But it depends on the price tag. The price tag is everything right now. So our second image is this one right here, which this is also, by the way, being touted as a way to replace your tablet, your PC, and laptop. Okay, I don't think, foldable cell phones, now tri-foldable cell phones, have always had that, hey, this is going to replace your laptop. Well, not laptop. Replace your tablet, right? Replace your phone. I don't know if we're going to get to this whole... not going to replace your PC, okay? That's just not going to happen. I'm sorry. We're not going to see replace PC anytime soon. Maybe replace phone. Laptop is kind of questionable. It depends on the specs of your laptop, but I don't even think we're going to see a laptop replacement anytime soon. Again, it's such a difficult thing, because even with tri-foldable phones, and don't get me wrong, they're probably going to have, I'm going to assume with Samsung, 16 gigabytes of RAM. It will probably have a Snapdragon 9 Elite processor, whatever the processor ends up being. Actually, it'll probably be an 8 Elite processor. But even if that's the case, that's not powerful enough to replace a PC. It's not powerful enough to replace a laptop. Tablets, yes, you can replace your tablet with a tri-foldable cell phone, and you're probably going to want to replace it if you're spending $3,000, because you could definitely get a better laptop for $3,000. I feel like they're going with a tri-foldable cell phone completely. You could get a really, really good laptop for that $3,000 price tag that, the tri-foldable cell phone is going to release at. But, yeah. I mean, again, does it look bad? No. It looks cool. Concept is there. I just don't know if we're going to see this being that crazy successful. I'm heavily surprised they're releasing this in America. I only could assume they're trying to tap into another market, but I just don't see how, especially the economy, man. How are you going to release this in America and expect to sell a lot of units? Yeah. But, again, I mean, it does look good. It does look good. Will it replace my PC? Probably not. I don't think this thing can game as well as, a 4090. So... somehow they could pack on graphics 4090 in this. Maybe. I actually just clicked off by accident. So we have it looks like we have dual window type of concepts here. Okay. I mean, yeah, it's, okay, so okay. As always, you can connect it right to a monitor. And with Samsung DeX, you're able to kind of have that operating system as well. So a good thing about Samsung phones is you have Samsung DeX automatically right in there. And then same concept here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's the concept is there, man. We actually got a huge leak right here. I didn't realize how much of a leak this was. At first, when I looked at it, I was like, okay, we've got some videos. This is actually a humongous leak. This is the most leaks we have had so far. Okay, so this is showing off. And again, listen, it's going to have a 10-inch inside display. And comparing that to the 8-inch or the 7.95-inch of the Z Fold 7, not bad. Again, like I said, I don't want to be a hater of this because I love the fact that they're pushing the envelope and they're pushing the industry forward. It's always a good thing when they do stuff like this, but it's just, I'm always iffy. But See you guys next one.